In this tutorial, you will learn how to successfully migrate your website from Jupyter Legacy to Jupyter X. We'll cover installing the Jupyter X theme, activating your license, adjusting page layouts, and using the Layout Builder to create custom headers and footers. Here is our Jupyter Legacy website featuring content built with WP Bakery Page Builder and Jupyter 6 components. In the first step, we need to install the Jupyter X theme by going to Appearance and then selecting Themes. Click Add Theme to open the upload interface. Click Choose File to select the Jupyter X zip. I'll select the Jupyter X zip file from the desktop to upload. I'll install the Jupyter X zip to add the new theme to this site. Now, activate the Jupyter X theme so the site uses its templates and settings. Let's install and activate the required plugins so Layout Builder and Elementor work correctly. Let's open the License Registration dialog. I'll choose the API key option to register with Artbees. I will paste the Artbees API key that was already generated for our Jupyter Legacy theme so the license is applied to Jupyter X as well. The modal shows verification progress, then confirms that registration is successful. The confirmation closes and the dashboard updates to show the license as active. With the theme installed and the license verified, Jupyter X and its plugins are ready to use and receive updates. Next, we'll open the site front end and adjust our page layout. Since the Jupyter Donut and the modified version of the WP Bakery plugins are already installed and active on our website, the main content of our pages and posts is rendering correctly in Jupyter X as well. Now, to restore the page layout, we can set the page layout to full width to match its previous state. We can apply this setting globally or individually for each page. Open the Template drop-down in the Page Attributes panel. Choose the full width template so the page stretches edge to edge. Now click Update to save this template change. Here, our content is displayed in full width. Since Jupyter and Jupyter X are two different themes with distinct structures, some parts of our website need to be recreated, such as the header and footer. Now, we'll open Jupyter X's Layout Builder and create a new header layout to edit with Elementor. Click the Add New button to start a new header layout. Name the new layout so you can identify it later in the builder. Create the layout to open the editor and start designing the header. When adding a new template, a pop-up will appear showing Jupyter X's block library, allowing you to import a ready-made template block, such as a header. Alternatively, we can create the header from scratch. Let's build a two-section header consisting of a toolbar and a navigation menu using Elementor's Flexbox container. We'll also apply a background color to the toolbar container. Let's add a new structure to this section. Choose Flexbox here so the header uses a flexible container layout. Choose your desired structure to insert the container, then open its layout settings. Now, open the Style tab for background options. I'll activate the classic background and open the color picker to choose a medium dark shade of purple. Let's add widgets. For our toolbar area, I will add the Icon List widget. Switch the icon list layout to inline so items sit horizontally across the row. Now, open the Style tab to change appearance settings. Open the text section to reveal color and typography controls. I'll pull the text color toward white so the list becomes readable on the purple background. Next, I'll pick a contrasting icon color to match the white text. Next, we will add the container for the navigation area. I'll start by adding our site logo. Now, open the Elements panel to add a widget. Add the Navigation menu widget to the header. Switch to the Style tab for menu appearance options. Now I'll open the text color picker and pick a new menu color for contrast. Plain black works fine for now. Search the widgets for the flex spacer to add automatic spacing between items. Type social into the widget search to quickly find social icons and related widgets. Click the Social Icons widget to add social buttons. Open the Style tab to access the icon appearance controls. Adjust the icon size to your preferred dimensions. Click Publish to open the Jupyter X Conditions modal and choose where the template displays. Click Add Condition to include a display rule for this header template across the site. The default selected options, Include and Entire Site, will make our header active across the entire website. Click Save and Close to store your display conditions. Your custom header is published and live across the site. Logo, menu, and social icons are all in place. You've successfully installed Jupyter X, activated your license, adjusted a page layout, and created a custom header. Now you're ready to explore all the new features and design possibilities in Jupyter X.